The 2025 Chevrolet Spark is making a bold return with a fresh new look and a host of modern updates, making it a strong contender in the compact car segment once again. Known for its affordability and practicality, the new Spark keeps its reputation intact while embracing a more refined design language and upgraded technology. Chevrolet has clearly aimed this model at budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on style or functionality. The exterior now sports a more aerodynamic shape, sleeker lines, and a slightly wider stance, giving the Spark a more planted and confident road presence. New LED lighting elements, a revamped front fascia with a more aggressive grille, and fresh wheel designs contribute to a more contemporary aesthetic that feels right at home in 2025. Under the hood, the 2025 Spark continues with its efficient 1.4-liter inline-4 engine, offering around 100 horsepower. While that might not sound groundbreaking, it's more than adequate for city driving and daily commuting. The car remains nimble and easy to maneuver, especially in tight urban environments. What's noteworthy is the improved fuel efficiency, which now offers an impressive 36 mpg combined, thanks to tweaks in engine tuning and weight optimization. Chevrolet is also introducing a mild hybrid version in select markets, which adds a small electric motor to assist in low-speed driving and further improve mileage. The Spark isn't built for performance, but it excels at delivering value and dependability. Inside, the 2025 Spark receives a significant technology upgrade. The dashboard features a new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Connectivity and convenience have been prioritized, with additional USB-C ports, available wireless charging, and over-the-air software update capability. The interior materials have also seen an improvement, with soft touch surfaces on key contact points and updated upholstery options that elevate the cabin experience. Even with its compact dimensions, the Spark surprises with its smart use of space, offering decent legroom in the front and a versatile rear seat layout that supports daily practicality. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Spark now includes a suite of standard safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and forward collision alert. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, a rarity in this class. Chevrolet's attention to affordable safety tech helps the Spark punch above its weight when it comes to peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Additionally, the Spark is now built on a slightly more rigid chassis, improving crash safety ratings and providing a more composed ride over rough surfaces. Chevrolet is also rolling out new personalization options for the Spark. Buyers can choose from several vibrant exterior colors, contrasting roof options, and unique interior trim packages. This customization effort appeals to younger buyers looking to make their vehicle stand out without stretching their budget. Pricing for the 2025 Spark remains aggressively competitive, starting just under $15,000, making it one of the most affordable new cars in the US market. For anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and tech-savvy daily driver, the 2025 Chevrolet Spark is proving to be a surprisingly compelling option that redefines what a small car can offer in today's market.